welcome to Bella Stitchery. So first I'd like to start off with a crafter's confession. I've literally just painted my nails so that I could do this video. So when I show you this paper pad, if you hear me screaming, it's because I smudged my nails, not because I got a massive paper cut. Although this cardstock is pretty heavy duty, so who could say? Could be either reason, really. We'll find out when the yelling of expletives happens exactly what the root cause was. But in the meantime, I'd like to show you this. I just got this 2 days ago and have been playing with it pretty much ever since. I'll show you a couple of the things I've already made with it. This is the Prima Marketing Autumn Sunset Collection Pad. And fall is my favorite color combo. Yes, the color combo of fall. Can you smell the pumpkin spice? I actually put on slippers when I started crafting with this because it made me feel cold. Is that a thing? Does anybody else have that? I made some coffee and I was like, ooh, I'm getting chilly. Just looking at all these leaves and pumpkins. Okay, maybe not. Moving on. Well, this paper pad I wanted to show you because sometimes it's hard to tell if you're, especially if you're ordering online, and I'll have a link to this paper in my description, so check that out. But this way you get to really get a sense of the paper up close and personal like. This has foil throughout, so like the text here, some of the leaves are like a gold foil, which I love. And look at the fox, cuteness. And it's all double-sided, obvi. But look at how cute. I love papers like this because they're great for like a base on your layout or your card if you don't want something super busy. And then look at pumpkins and kind of like roses and rose-colored pumpkins. Look at that. Love it, like a pastel mixed with the colors of fall. Got some leaves on the back. Could also be feathers. Depends what you're going for. You make it work. There's 4 of each design in the collection pad. And then there's the classic like cut apart embellishment page. So you got like everything pumpkin, monarch butterflies, thankful for you. I love that. I cut one out already. The little fox there. I would pick it up, but I'm afraid of the nails. Remember that? So look at it from here. Or look, boom. Cute, cute, right? And then let's see what else we got. Let's see what else. I just love it all. Okay, this. Oh my gosh. And I did, look at, I already dinged it, my nail. Not even 5 minutes. Okay, look at this. Cute. Different kinds of butterflies and beetles, pumpkins. Totes adorbs. Love it. And let's see what else we got. Oh, okay. I also love this. I already used this for something I'll show you in a minute. So cute. I love that it's like a border frame. I was thinking like a doily in the middle, maybe make some kind of collage for a scrapbook layout on that one. But I also love the back. I feel like this is a print I could easily buy 25 sheets of, just this print, because I love it. And I would just use it on everything. This is so cute too. Okay, look at this. I didn't know this when I bought it. Move this ribbon. Look at the deer. How cute. Like the world's cutest nursery. And a fox, butterflies. So cute. Okay, I love that. I also love that. Yeah. And a map. If you like maps. I'm not a huge map person myself. I don't judge. If you love maps, you know what? I also love maps. But look, I love this page. I love that it's kind of like an ephemera collage. I also kind of want to cut these butterflies out because I love using butterflies and everything. But I don't know if I will yet because I also just love this page. So tough. The struggle is real, right? And then look at another one of those papers where you kind of have like a old Tuscan wall, which just looks fab on everything. In fact, I use this on a layout. So let me show you. That's the collection pad. Adorable, right? Check it out. Check out my description. Okay. So here's the layout I made. Isn't this fabulous? And honestly, effortless. I'll show you. I'll have a tutorial on how to make this. But really, so much of it just comes from the paper pad. So these here, this, there's that Tuscan wall I was talking about. So cute. I cut some butterflies out of the paper pad there so you kind of have some dimension. And I just love it. I actually got married in September just so I could use colors like this in my wedding. I'm telling you, I love fall colors. So the other thing I wanted to show you that I made from the collection is this. It's a cute money holder, which I won't show you now because I'm actually going to do a tutorial on this too, and I'm not quite done with the inside. But look at how cute. There's that paper I was telling you with that frame. I love how it bordered this card. And then that cool wall look again. Easy, adorable. The colors are neutral enough for like a wedding, a birthday, baby, whatever. It's awesome, right? So I'll have some videos coming up here that show you how to make a couple different things with this line. So if you want to check that out, and subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, leave me a comment and let me know your favorite season to craft with. Again, I love the fall colors. Do you love Christmas, Easter? Those aren't seasons. You could also pick holidays. Day of the week. What's your favorite color of the week? Wednesday. Lovely shade of Wednesday. But leave me your comments. Talk to me. I'm going to go put on another coat of paint and stand in front of a fan. Bye!